Good morning. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research, and this is your morning market update for Monday, November 14th. Stocks on Wall Street opened with modest losses, following broad declines across Europe. Investors had been growing more optimistic late last week, as Italy's parliament took steps to approve new austerity measures and economic reforms. Those bills were passed by both houses of parliament over the weekend, and Prime Minister Silvio Berlusconi stepped down following the votes. He'll be replaced by economist and former European Commissioner Mario Monti, who is expected to take bold steps to get Italy's massive debt load under control. But the optimism over those changes didn't last long. Investors are still uncertain about the ability of European leaders to get the sovereign debt crisis under control. German Chancellor Angela Merkel did nothing to reassure the markets in her speech this morning. She repeated her assertion that Germany does not support joint government bonds issued by the full European Union. Many experts have said that joint Eurozone bonds may be the best way to stop the debt crisis. On the corporate front, we're seeing some heavy trading volume in shares of IBM. Warren Buffett announced on CNBC this morning that his investment firm, Berkshire Hathaway, bought more than 10 billion shares in the company over the past 3 quarters. The purchases give Berkshire a 5.4% stake in International Business Machines. Separately, General Electric said it signed a 12-year, $6 billion contract with Emirates Airlines. GE will provide and maintain engines for the carrier's new fleet of Boeing 777 jets. Yesterday, Emirates announced it will buy 50 of the jets for about $18 billion, the single largest commercial airplane order in Boeing's history by dollar value. Boeing is jumping nearly 3% on the news. Another advancer on the Dow Industrials this morning is Caterpillar, up nearly 1%. Goldman Sachs upgraded the heavy equipment maker to its conviction buy list and lifted its price target on the stock. Goldman cited Caterpillar's rising margins and increased capital spending by its customers. And finally, Weiss Ratings tells us that one bank closed its doors last week, Georgia Community Bank of Rockmart. That brings the total number of bank failures this year up to 88. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.